Hi everyone, it's Lou Collins from CraftStash. Now today I want to go through your top 5 gift ideas for crafters for Christmas. Now we held a poll, a questionnaire on social media, and we asked you what you would really like this year under the tree, and we had so many amazing responses. But there were 5 clear winners. Now, not only did we ask you, we also asked our design team members at CraftStash, and we asked all of the designers like myself, Sam Calcott, Helen Griffin as well. We've collated those results to give you pretty much the same 5 as you all chose too. So make sure you send this video to your loved ones, to those who are asking what you want for Christmas, give them some ideas. And also it's worth letting them know that you can get gift vouchers at CraftStash too. So the perfect opportunity for you to then choose your own gift. But if you want to give them ideas for something to wrap, let's get started. Now everything, if you are a VIP, you can save 10% on as well. And of course, claim your points. So the first item has got to be the portable die cutting machine. So this is a desktop size. This is going to cut your smaller dies, the ones where it's really not worth getting your larger machines out for. Many of us, of course, when we first buy a die cutting machine, we go for the larger sizes to use all the dies. But how many of us then start thinking, actually, one of the smaller ones would be perfect to sit on our desk or our craft table all the time and not have to worry about getting the big one out. The Made to Surprise die cutting machine is one of the most popular machines that we have at CraftStash, and at $28.99 it's almost a stocking filler. It does come with the 2 plates needed as well, and is currently in stock at CraftStash. Now in number 4 was a stamping platform, in particular the Creative Craft Product stamping platform. So this one has so many features about it that you don't find with other stamping platforms, and I think that's probably why it came out top of your lists. So it has the magnetic base with the magnets included, it has the foam non-slip backing, it has the springs on the corners, so it gives you really easy all over pressure stamping, and it's just absolutely fabulous in so many other ways. I absolutely love this one as well. And at $22.99, another fantastic price for a tool that's going to last you many, many years. So that is our number 4. Now in at number 3 is another crafting tool that is an essential, and that's a heat gun. Lots of you loved the thought of having a wow heat gun. This is the dual speed heat tool. This is the one that is at the moment $21.99, saving a couple of pounds off. There are other heat tools on the CraftStash website as well, plus accessories like your silicone handles, like your anti-static bags, and your clear embossing ink, and all your embossing powders as well. Everything can be found on CraftStash as fantastic little additional gifts that could go along with the heat tool. Now in at number 2 is another favourite of mine, and that's because I've just been starting to do up my new craft room. As you can see, it's still a little bit empty at the moment, but I wanted to show you these today, and they are the fantastic Lasersmith MDF Storage. These are all back in stock. They did sell out when they first came into CraftStash within a day. It was absolutely amazing how quickly everyone was purchasing these. I've currently got the ones for my ink pads and for my A4 cardstock, but there's 12x12 cardstock, there's pen holders, there's A5 cardstock, envelopes, stamps, all that sort of storage. It's absolutely wonderful. Really easy to put together. It actually comes flat packed for you, so you can decorate it, paint it, do whatever you want with it before you put it together if you wish. Again, amazing prices on all of these. So go and check out all the different variants that you can be purchasing and make your craft room a dream room. Okay, I feel like we need a little bit of a drum roll here because we are at number 1, which is your top craft item that you would like to see wrapped up and popped under the Christmas tree this year. It had to be the Sizzix scoreboard and trimmer. This has again been another item at CraftStash that sold out when it came in. VIPs got the first look at it, another reason to be a CraftStash VIP member. And again, absolutely fabulous tool. There's so much in here. There's punches, there's rules, there's guides. There's a lot going on. Now, we do have a video on our YouTube channel showing you all the features of this fantastic tool, but essentially what you want to know, the price, $57.99. That is all we're asking for this fantastic tool that does absolutely everything. You're going to be making envelopes, boxes, rosettes, card bases, gift bags, bunting, and much, much more on this tool. So there we have it. These were yours and our top 5 crafting items for Christmas gifts this year. Make sure you save and share this video with your loved ones, with your friends who want to send you a gift. Make sure you are letting them know as well that CraftStash do gift vouchers too, so you can even choose your own crafting products. And lastly, be sure to sign up to the CraftStash newsletter and emails on the website, because that way you will keep up to date with any of our fantastic offers and deals that we have on a daily basis. All the details for the VIP membership are down below, and that's going to save you 10% on everything I've shown you. So happy crafting, everybody. Let us know in the comments if there's any products you would have put in your top 5. Of course, don't forget to subscribe to the CraftStash YouTube channel and check out this video all on our #1 Sizzix scoreboard and trimmer.